Good evening, everyone. Today I'm doing the drive bit back to front. Didn't get to do the driving this morning, but I've just dropped the guys off, so they're on their way home. So I thought I'd give you a night drive instead of a morning drive. But yeah, so today was a good day, good progress. As you'll see on the video, we got quite a bit done. The bathroom is really taking shape now, starting to look like a bathroom, and yeah, I'm quite happy with the results. So I reckon we've got another two maybe a bit more days to finish and wrap that up. So tomorrow we'll be doing probably a half day there, and because we've got our concrete being delivered tomorrow in the afternoon, and that's the concrete for the garden house, so that's being delivered tomorrow. We've got about 6 cubic meters of concrete, and we are going to be getting that pumped to the back garden, so it should be nice and easy for us. It'll be 2 trucks. It'll be 1 truck with the concrete, and it was separate truck with the pump, and one will feed the other, and then they'll pump it roughly about 40 meters down to the back of the garden, and we can get our trenches done. So that's the plan for tomorrow. So yeah, I won't hold you guys up, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So thanks as usual. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit the bell notification, and also check our Instagram page at BRR YouTube. That's BRR YouTube for Instagram, for those of you on Instagram. And we'll see you guys later. Take care. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so we're back on site, and we're ready to get this ceiling done. You can see all the joints are taped up. Also put some masking tape around the edge here just to keep everything clean. And also we're going to be grouting in here as well today. So a lot happening here today. Gonna crack on. First coat on the down on the ceiling.
Yeah.
Just flatten down the first coat.
Hoe laat dat nou? Wie dat ik het kan doen? Hoe laat dat het nou?
And as you can see, the guys have been grouting. It's all happening at one time. You see the colour of the grout here. It's like a light grey, but it will get lighter as it dries. The guys are almost done. It's this one and this one here. Grouting's nearly done. Done the first pass with the sponge. Clean it up. Ceiling is still drying out on the first coat. Should be ready for a second coat, probably another 10 minutes. It's looking good. ceiling is done now. I'm just gonna give one last pass in about 10 minutes. And that's done. Alright guys, so we're giving the place a nice little clean, taking all our plastics up. Walls have been grouted and cleaned. Just got to let it dry, and then we'll just polish the tiles once it's all dry. Ceiling is done. I know people are asking, why did you do the ceiling before you did the tiling? Yeah, I would have if I had the time when I was gonna do it, but when you're doing lots of different trades and stuff and organizing lots of stuff, you got to do what you can do today, and that way we keep things moving and we don't waste time. But it was very easy to do the ceiling, to be honest. And yeah, so we're all done. So we're gonna go for lunch. When we come back, we're gonna start test fitting some of this stuff. Alright guys, we're done for the day, and this is what it's looking like. We got the ceiling skimmed today, the walls grouted, we got the mirror done, we've got the radiator on the wall, just need to connect it down the bottom. We've got the bidet that just needs to be plumbed, the toilet's plumbed, the sink, we just need to do the waste for the sink. Silicone around the shower as well, so that's ready for tomorrow to put the shower screen in, and we'll fit the shower controls in tomorrow as well. And also we've got the vent extract to put in tomorrow as well. And then next week we can paint the ceiling and finish the last bit of that tiling. Tiles have been ordered, so we're just waiting for them to be delivered, and we'll finish around this area tomorrow and fit the door and all that. So this is what it's looking like so far. So alright guys, so we're off now, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.